channel, and this is me, Dexter. Happy Sunday everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back to vlogging again. So ang tagal-tagal ko rin hindi nakapag-vlog. My last vlog was last 3 weeks. So right now I'm back to vlogging again. So for today's video is, I'll title this as Vlogmas, Tuloy ang Pasko. So yeah, ang malapit na yung Pasko pero hindi pa rin ako nakapaglagay ng Christmas tree. So better late than never. So hindi pa naman tayo late kasi hindi pa naman Christmas. So yeah, we still can decorate Christmas tree sa ating mga bahay. So right now I have this Christmas tree for 3 years. And then, I've been staying in the same location, same boarding house for 5 years. So, the funny thing with this Christmas tree is, wala na siyang stand. So, titingnan natin kung ano ang nilagay ko para magka-stand siya. So, last na gamit ko last year is, naputol yung stand niya. So, yeah. Pero, malikhain tayo mga Pinoy, di ba? We are creative. So, lahat nagagawa ng paraan. So, yeah, let's start! This is my Christmas tree. That's my Christmas tree. And what happened is, since wala siyang stand, what I did is, kumuha ko ng extra trash bin, and then I put racks inside. Then, right now, ito yung mga balls niya, mga garlands, light, and then flowers. So, tinago-tago ko to para every Christmas magamit ko to. So, let's start decorating. So guys, tapos na yung Christmas tree. Tapos na ako mag-decorate. Right now, hindi pa talaga siya totally tapos. Is, bibili pa ako ng mga balls. Kulang na kasi siya. So, try natin ilawan later. So, right now, I don't know if yung Christmas light is umiilaw pa kasi, yeah, matagal na kasi yun. Pag matagal na kasi yung Christmas light, sometimes hindi na umiilaw, napupunde. So, yeah. Right now, so yeah, it's not about how expensive your Christmas tree is. It's about and how you celebrate it with your family. So yeah, so hindi kailangan na maganda yung Christmas tree natin, mahal, di ba? It's on how you celebrate it, and it's on how you celebrate it with your family, with your friends. So it's all about happiness. Hindi kailangan mahal ang mga bagay, di ba? Basta nagmamahalan tayo. So, give love on Christmas Day, di ba? Sana all. Okay, so let's light a Christmas tree na. Tree, hindi pa siya masyadong tapos, kundi pa yung mga balls. So, bibili pa tayo ng mga balls sa susunod na mga araw. So, yan. O diba? Nagawa ng paraan. Yes, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, so that's my Christmas tree. So, I hope nakapaglagay na rin kayo ng mga Christmas tree sa mga bahay nyo. So, kung wala naman, okay lang yon as long as masaya tayo kasama yung mga pamilya natin. Alright, so yeah, if you like it, please hit like and then don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Alright, and comment below if ano pang gusto niyo gawin comment next vlog. Alright, so Merry Christmas, advance Merry Christmas to everyone. And yeah, see you in my next vlog. Bye!